the numbers are done all right, but
graph. Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Y equals. Yeah, I don't. That's. We'll ask Miss Morale. Hey. Quiet, please. So the question here, I flipped the page to page 98. The question was, how many additional U.S. dollars did George exchange if he had a total of 725.35 pounds? And that intersection, it'll show up as the X value of the intersection. So we had 6, 8, 3.73. Again, it's dollars. So I'm going to put a dollar symbol, and I stopped the decimal after 2 digits. We're going to do the same thing that we just did with the intersect feature with this amount of pounds. George has deep pockets. That's a lot of spending money. What's he doing, buying a car over there? Okay, now who remembers where we started? How did we start? What was step 1? Isabel. Y equals. So everybody go to y equals. The first equation's not going to change. We're still converting back and forth between pounds and dollars. What's going to change is this second equation, y2. So go down to y2, and this time you're going to push 1699.73. That's going to give you that horizontal line when we're going to see where it hits our exchange rate line. This does not have an X. It's just a dollar amount, or excuse me, a pound amount. This is an amount of pounds. Okay, so we started at y equals. We kept the first function in. We're putting in a new y2. What was our next step? We tried to adjust the window, and that was hard. Everybody push graph. And now we're going to push zoom 9. That fixes the window for us. Zoom is right here where my finger is. Zoom. And then we're just going to push the number 9. If we scroll down, you can see what 9 was, but I know in my head, I don't know why it works. It's magic. Zoom stat, I don't know. But zoom 9, so I'm pushing 9. And it should adjust my...
Some of them are 0,
Oh! Some are zoom 0.
So
zoom...
you just kind of scroll down and look
Let's
at the bottom
see.
doors.
Oh! Mine is 0 also. So where it says zoom fit, that fits your graph to your function. So good. Thank you, Mr. Craig. So 0. Oh, man.
Is that the way at the top?
At the window. Let's see. We need more X's. So we have an X max of 1,000. Remember how much money it came out for dollars? Like 680? Well, let's say 3,000 here. Let's change the X scale to 500s. I went back to the window because I couldn't see where it intersected. I'm changing X max to 3,000 and the scale to 500s. If I'm going from 100 to 3,000, I'm going to go, let's try that. Graph. Oh, I can see it right at the top. Let me try my zoom 0. Does it work better? There we go.
Wait, can you go back to your window one?
Here was my window, and this is the window that they set it to when I did zoom fit. X min is 100. X max is 3,000. Scale for X 500. Y min, put it at 362. And Y max, put it at like 3,000 or something. They've got 2166. Scale on the Y. Probably you could put that to they have it as 100. You could probably put that as 500s also.
I got it without your stuff.
Okay. And then zoom 0 has been helping us. So what you need is be able to see the two lines crisscrossing. Thumbs up if you have two lines in front of you. Christian? Okay. Oscar and Sam? They got it?
Yep.
Whoa. There's something just wrong on the screen.
I did see that. I did. And the kid was like, yeah. As I was watching Buddy. It's still my favorite.
Can you work with that?
And
Okay. Everybody else has the crisscross? Now, here's the question. How do we find the intersection? How do we find the value?
Great.
second, actually,
Second calc.
intersect.
Intersect. Which number is intersect, Andy?
What?
Which number is intersect?
Intersect
5.
is 5. Yeah.
Good. It asked us for the first curve. I push enter. Asked us for the second curve. I push enter. Ask us for a guess. I push enter a third time. By now the cursor should be in the middle where the two lines are intersecting. The first, what I see down here is a Y that matches what they were telling me in pounds, 1699.73. What does it say for the X?
2,200.
And that's dollars. So now I'm going to put $2,250.00. Whew. Boy, that was work. Okay, we're going to use the calculators down at the bottom of page 98. Okay. Are you with me? Do you guys see bottom of page 98? New function. Andy?
Yeah.
When they put a number inside the parentheses of a function, they're saying sub that in where the x is, or where the variable is. So this is not dealing with exchanging money. This is a whole new function. And so for f of 3.5, we're going to do this. F of 3.5 equals 14.95 times 3.5. So when they put a number in there, that means plug in it for x. Now we're going to use our calculators to help us out. We can do straight up let's multiply and add math. You can try using some of these graph intersect features, okay? But I'm just going to multiply these two numbers. So let's get off of the graph for now. Clear, mode clear. 14.95 times 3.5.
14.95.
The first thing you do is you're going to do the multiply. I've got 52.325. Now I need to add. So I'm going to add it to 31.6. In my calculator, I can just put plus. Notice it says answer plus 31.6. And that's going to equal 83.925. You guys do B and C. You guys do B and C. Right now, I'll be walking around. I'll leave that one up there. I'm going to do B and C so I know what the answer is. Oh. So far, so good. You have it set up right. Now figure out how to multiply and add.
So do we multiply?
So use this one though. That's just notation, so it's not like a distribute. Okay? Let's see how this has 14.95x. Whatever they have inside, you're going to replace the x with. So right here, just put. Now you go 14.95 right there.
This
Yes. 25 times 16.37. So because the x was right after the 14, that's a times 16.37. Now you go to plus 31.6. Set up correct times and add. That one's good.
cheater.
Good. Okay, as you're done with B and C, show them to myself and Mr. Craig. We need calculators over there and books up there, but B and C is your ticket to break. Okay? That's good. Here, you want the answer, Mr. Craig? You got your answers. You set up the problem. And this is what you multiply first. And then take that and add it to 31.6.
There's 2 over here.
9, 10,
11.
11, 12. Okay, so you can stand at the floor and listen for 12. Right. Wait. Calculator's over there. 4, 6,
You're even sending it to
10.
me. You're doing something else.
We appreciate. Oh, hey. Do you want this to